Okay, now in this question we're asked again to be grouping, and we only have to do the second step, and I've done the first step for you here as well. And in this question there are negative numbers involved in it as well. So first of all we had 5ax plus 15x, which you're quite happy with at this stage to know that that'll factorize into 5x times a plus 3. Second part, we had minus 4ay minus 12y. And at this point in maths, because we've been doing it for a while, I know that what we have here is we've got this thing here, and we also have this thing here. So I kind of think of these things nearly separately. And we're going to look at what goes into this. So we know that 4 goes into... We know that negative 4 will go into both of these terms. Negative 4 goes into negative 4 once. Negative 4 will go into negative 12 3 times, plus 3 times. Then we have to look at the lettering, and I've gone and forgotten to put the y in, because this is big and messy now. Okay, and as I said, I'm thinking of the minus 4ay minus 12y completely separately from the 5ax plus 15x, so I brought it over here to have a quick look at it. So what's common to both of these terms? Negative 4 is common to both of these, goes in evenly. Y is common to both of these, goes in evenly. So negative 4y, we have negative 4y, and we're left over a. So a, negative 4y distributed into negative 4y groups gives you a. And negative 12y distributed into negative 4y groups gives you 3. You can think that minus 12 divided by minus 4 is 3. And you've done hundreds of questions on integers to know that minus 12 divided by minus 4 will give you plus 3. So now what we have is, we have two terms. The first term has an a plus 3, and the second term has an a plus 3. So in this one we have a plus 3 common to both sections. So I'm going to take that a plus 3 out, as we have done several times. A plus 3, 5x times a plus 3 divided into a plus 3 groups goes 5x times. Negative 4y times a plus 3 divided by a plus 3 gives you negative 4y. And that's quite straightforward. All you're doing is you're taking the 5x out, you're putting it here, you're taking this negative 4y out, and you're putting it here. So then you take your answer, a plus 3 in brackets times 5x minus 4y in brackets. You put your answer in here, and you'll get your score.